Hello friends, so today I am just for this video I suddenly have to record regarding the recent scholarship announced by the Technical University of Munich, Germany, and these scholarships are for the students of biological field, biotechnology or bioinformatics. So this is the fully funded PhD program and you must apply, and you must know that the Technical University of Munich, Germany is one of the leading university of the world, and so I'm going to tell you about what is the application process, what documents are required, and you must know the deadline, right? Deadline is 31st of March 2022 this year. So by this deadline you have to send all these documents to one of the email ID I will mention, because there's no online you have to apply. You don't need to apply online. There's one direct email which is given, and you need to apply directly to. You need to send all your documents there. So maybe in short, I can tell what are the documents and how to apply. And you must know that I already have prepared one video regarding the documentation, how you prepare your documentation. So you must go through that video first, I think. So because just applying for any program, any opportunity doesn't mean that you would be successful, but how you apply, that matters, right? Because your documents must be something like, some what do you say, means spices. It should have something extra, something different from others. And so how you prepare it, it's up to you. So basically, like I prepared in the video, it is already mentioned that it doesn't matter that you have the less grades in your masters or you have less grades in your bachelor. So it doesn't mean that you cannot apply and you would not get like position for the fully funded PhD or a job or something else. Like if you don't have the good grades, you must have something else. And what something else I already mentioned in the document, like in the previous video, sorry. So you must go through that video as well for the documentation process, right? Because I was also the part of the selection process for the PhD students, how how we select the students. We don't just go through only the one specific criteria. Okay, you must have, for example, grades more than 9 or grade more than 8. This is one of the requirements, maybe not you can say one of the requirements, but one of the points we can consider, right? We consider, but doesn't mean like that student should be the final selection. No, there are other requirements or other points also we consider. So these all points I already mentioned in the video, so you must go through it. And if still you have some doubts like regarding how you prepare for the documents in this particular application, so you may ask me, I will definitely reply. Okay, I will reply and I will help you as well. So we can have maybe if you write in the comment box, I will go through it and I will write you, and also maybe we can have a short discussion, maybe short video call via Zoom or via WhatsApp, whatever. But I will definitely help you. If somebody if somebody give me the comments or something, if somebody asks me for help, I will definitely help. Okay, because I am here for maybe I studied my bachelor's, master's, PhD. So I have been here for a long time in Europe. So yeah, so definitely I'm gonna help you. But you have to help yourself. Your documents you just don't need to apply only. You have to apply in effective manner. That matters. And okay, so I am gonna show you the slides after this. So what are the application requirements? So first requirement, you must have your CV, right? And CV requirement I already mentioned in the previous video. Please go through that. And if you don't understand, please ask me. So I'm gonna help you how you prepare your CV in order to apply for the European universities. Just don't go with your CV whatever you have, okay. There is a difference between the academic CV and you apply for the industry. Okay, so academic CV is totally different. And also, you don't use your academic CV in order to apply for a job, because people ask me, oh, I'm applying from India, I'm not getting any reply. Come on, you will not get reply by this. If you're applying, your documents are not fit. Okay, so that for the that particular purpose, I will make a separate video how you prepare for that your documents to apply for a job through LinkedIn or ResearchGate or whatever other job portals in order to get a job offer, even just got an offer for the interview call at least. Okay, so for that purpose, I have in my mind, so I will definitely prepare, because I have gone through this whole process, so I know, I understand completely. So I'm definitely gonna make that particular video. But okay, let's focus on this particular topic. So first, you must have your CV, right? You have either you have certificate from university or whatever, you have the good communication skill, maybe the English language, or you should have IELTS or TOEFL certificate, something else. You don't need GRE. You don't need GRE or GMAT, something like that. You don't need, okay, here. Also, you have all your transcripts, yes, that is definitely you need. And most important thing, one of the most, that is motivational letter, or sometimes we say a statement of purpose. For this particular document, I already maybe gave a lot of time in the previous video. How do you prepare your motivational letter, or the letter of motivation, achievement of purpose, something like that. Well, okay, and another important requirement is the reference letter. They ask only one reference letter, but my suggestion, at least get 2 reference letters. But you don't need to get reference letters. You need contact details, email ID, contact number, full details, okay, of your referee. So you need to prepare 2 contact details of the person who can just provide something good for you, good words, your referee, your reference letter speaks good thing for you. That also matters. Okay, and to whom you ask these reference letters, I already mentioned in the previous video. Again, you need to go through it, right? So please go step by step. You cannot just see this video and you have to go through all videos, because I'm making the videos just for the purpose of this education, your knowledge. So you must know how you should prepare yourself for your better future. Okay, so after the reference letter, that is, I think, all you need. And what others you need? I think, okay, I already mentioned basically. After this, you will see the slides. 2 slides I made, so you can go through those slides. Okay, remember, all these documents, whatever I told you, you must have only one PDF. Okay, means your CV, scanned copies of all your documents, okay, and your motivational, the contact details, not motivational letter, contact details, our English certificate, whatever, or if you have some other certificates, you can also provide. Okay, means that fits. For example, if you are applying, maybe you have some training in the for example, bioinformatics, related to bioinformatics, or you work some in the lab or some internship, that also you can attach, no problem. So you have to make one PDF document, okay, for this. So you can just online type PDF merge, you will find some website and merge all the documents and prepare one PDF. That is right. Okay, so only one PDF you need to send through email ID, and all these details I will mention after in this in slides, and I will also mention in the description box, right? So that is all from my side. Please remember, Technical University of Munich 12 PhD scholarship for the biological or bioinformatics students, and remember, TUM is one of the leading universities of the world. If you get a PhD or finish a PhD, from there your employability rate is more than 100%. Please remember this, more than 100%, not only in the academic field but also in the industry as well. So please, okay, and if you are not from biological field, if some of your friends or relatives are from that field and they are looking for PhD, please forward this information to them. Okay, if you don't want to subscribe or don't want to share, please don't, but at least tell your friends or relatives who need this, right? But I know that later on you have to subscribe and share, because this is not a consultancy. I am the person who did the bachelor, master's, PhD from here, and so I am just here to help everybody. So maybe now and then you have to share and subscribe my channel. But okay, for the time being, at least help others. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video. And one more thing I'm gonna tell you, right? Okay, now I'm like I will do the video conferencing from directly the professor or the chairman of the research committee in some university who have the fully funded PhD vacancies. So I will show you like full my conversation with them, and you can see and you can understand, okay, what are the requirements. I will, if you have some like specific questions, you can also send me, so I can ask them. Okay, and I will also take the interview of some students who are like in Germany or some other countries, Indian students or some other country students, like different countries, and they will tell you how did they get the scholarship. So please subscribe, share this channel. This is very important for you. Okay, thank you very much and see you in the next video. Please connect with Desi Teacher in Europe. You will get your future here. Thank you. Bye.